So dear students, the chapter name is Kinematics. This is both for Maths B and Pure Maths. And you see, distance equals to, for this one, you see, this maths based on distance, speed, and accelerations. Distance represented by x or s or h, and time always will be greater than or equals to 0. Then you see, this part is very important for you. You see the note that is blocked by red marking. It means if we differentiate distance, we get speed, and if we differentiate the speed, we get accelerations. There's an example here given. This is this example for what? Given distance s equals to t square 5t plus 4. What's given here? Distance s equals to t square plus 5t minus 4. We have to find the speed. So this is given, you see. This part is given, s equals to t square plus 5t minus 4. So if we need to find the speed, we have to differentiate it. That's why d by dt. I've done both sides. Then result is what? This is the basic formula. It means the power of this one, t square, the power will be multiplied and 1 will be subtracted from the power. Then 5t means what? 5 into 1. If you write 5 into 1, that's all. Write these things. Write in this way, 5 into 1. 5 multiply 1. 5 multiply 1. Then for constant value 4 should be 0. The whole value should be 2t plus 5. And this is the speed. So speed equals to 2x plus 5. Speed equals to what? 2x plus 5. This is the answer. Now the basic formula already given here. That is d by dx, you know, d by dx kx to the power n means what? The power n should be multiplied. Then 1 should be subtracted from the power n. And for constant into x should be k into 1 equals to, it should be k only. It should be not 5, it should be k. K means constant here. And then d by dx on dx equals to what? This is 1, or this is called same variable. What is called it? Same variable. Same variable. The number or constant equals to 0. What? The number or constant equals to what? 0. Differentiate result. So now example 2 you have to do yourself. Please try with me. You try yourself and let me do also this example. Once again, s equals to what? 6t cube plus 5t square minus 4. So we have to find speed equals to what? Speed equals to what? So to find the speed, you see, differentiate both sides. It is d by dt dts equals to d by dt. This is 60 cube, right? 60 cube plus 5t squared minus 4. Write this one. The power 3 should be multiplied with 6. Then 1 should be subtracted from power 3. 3 minus 1 plus power 2 should be multiplied. 2 multiply 5. And then t 1 subtraction from power 2 minus d by dt4, that is constant value, should be 0. The whole result should be 18 t square plus 10t. So you may write speed equals to 18 square plus 10t. This is the answer. Student, any questions regarding this one? If not, I'm going the next one now. Sarab, Sakib, Maniat, any questions?
No, sir.
Next, go. The next questions now. Now this times accelerations, you see, I told you already, for differentiate, right? If you want to find the acceleration or retardations, my dear students, you have learned it. What is acceleration and what is retardations? Acceleration means speed up and retardations means speed down with respect to time. So once again, if given the velocity, if you differentiate once again, then you get the accelerations. So read these notes once again. If you different the distance, we get the speed, and if you differentiate the speed, we get accelerations. Basic formula once again given, you learn it. So it should be what? This is something wrong here. It should be K. Then my dear students, you check once again. This is sorry, velocity given. So it should be, what is this? Velocity given. We have to find the accelerations.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
এমন যে হাত ছেড়ে দিয়েছেন স্যার যে বেস বুস্ট হয়ে আমার কানে গেছে।
Yes, sir. So write this thing. This should be t square 5t minus 4. The final result is what? Acceleration equals to 2t plus 5. So already done here. So now you will start example 2 with me. Let us start now. Example 2. And this time you see what's given here. Velocity given. This is the velocity given. You have to find the accelerations. Find what is accelerations. So I told you, if you differentiate the velocity, you will get accelerations. So right here first, v equals to 3t square minus 5t minus 4. Now differentiate both sides with respect to time. d by dt v equals to what? d by dt 3t square minus 5t minus 4. Power 2 should be multiplied with 3. Then 1 subtractions from the power, that is 2 minus 1. Then 5t means 5 multiply 1 only. And 4 d by dt is 4 is 0 because constant value. So right here, this is 60 minus 5. This is accelerations. This is the answer. Very simple math for you, I think. So going the next one now. Check. Let's go. This is also given the distance. We have to find the accelerations. Example 3, a bit different. So 2 steps you have to go. Example 3. Let's see the example 3. We'll practice example 4 ourselves. This distance is given. So Malia, tell me how to find the speed. Distance given. So if we differentiate this value, we'll get the speed, isn't it, Malia?
Yes, sir.
That's why d by dt both sides. Then we're getting the speed. So speed equals to 2t plus 5 equals to 2t plus 5. Now I've got the velocity. So from velocity, if you want to find the acceleration, what to do? Sarab, could you tell me? We have to differentiate once again both sides. Do you agree, Sarab? Because I told you in the note, if you differentiate the velocity, you'll get the accelerations. So this time, this is 21. Then for 5, it should be 0. Altogether, value is 2. So acceleration A equals to 2. This is the answer. Khadija is left today. So let's go start question number 4 ourselves. Question number 4. You see how to do this one. Sarab, sorry, Sakib, go through the questions. The distance of car is given by s equals to 3t square plus 70 minus 12. May I ask Malia to read out the questions? Maliat or Khadija,
Yes, sir.
please go through the questions. Example 4.
The distance of a car is given by s equals to 3t squared into 7t minus 12.
Plus 70.
And
Plus 70.
plus 7t minus 12. Find the acceleration of the car in terms of t.
So how to find it? Could you explain, please? Sarab, Sakib, Khadija, anyone? First, we differentiate the distance as to get speed. Then again, we differentiate the speed to get acceleration. That is the solutions. Okay. So what's given here? Given distance is given. What is this? Distance is given. S equals to 3t square plus 70 minus 12. So if you want to find the speed, what to do? Differentiate both sides with respect to time. That is d by dt you have to use. D by dt right, left side, that is s. Right side also right. D by dt 3t square plus 70 minus 12. This is the writing style only. Now The power 2 should be multiplied once again. 2 multiply 3. Then t to the power 2 minus 1. For 70, it should be 7 multiply 1 minus 0. So write this thing. This is 60 plus 7. So this is speed. This is what? Speed. This is speed. V equals to 60 plus 7. So once again you write, again differentiate, that is dv by dt. d by dt, v equals to d by dt 60 plus 7. 60 plus 7. For 60 it should be 6 multiply 1, and for 7 it should be 0, because any constant differentiate result is 0. So right, this is 6, and this is, it should be accelerations. What is this? Acceleration. Acceleration value A equals to 6. This is the answer. A equals to what? 6. So I think there's no doubt regarding this one, or any questions from your side. I'm ready to explain. We go to the next step now. Okay, going next. Now, see the note, very important note here. Please go through the note. If we differentiate the distance, we get the velocity, and if we differentiate the velocity, we'll get the accelerations. And oppositely, right? And oppositely, if we integrate the acceleration, we'll get velocity, and if we integrate the velocity, we'll get the distance. Very important note for you. Another note for you. For maximum distance or minimum distance, speed or velocity equals to 0. This is the questions for you. Here also distance given. What's given here? The distance is given here. The distance is equals to t square minus 4t minus 4. This one. So find the time for minimum distance. I told you for minimum distance, velocity or speed is 0. That means you have to find speed. To find the speed, you have to differentiate both sides with respect to time, that is d by dt both sides. So this is what, after getting the result, you're getting v equals to 2t minus 4. For minimum distance, v equals to 0, that is 2t minus 4 equals to 0. So t equals to 2, this is the answer. So may I request you to do question number 5. Right. Example 2, start now, boys, girls. I want to do with you, start doing example 2. So write this thing. All right. This distance equals to 3t square minus 12t minus 4. But to find the time for maximum distance, we know for maximum distance, velocity is 0. So write first. First find the velocity. That is 3t square minus 12t minus 4. So to find the speed, differentiate both sides. That is d by dt. d by dt s left side. Similarly, d by dt right side. This is the writing style of differentiations, okay? Minus 12t minus 4. Once again, my dear students, for differentiate, multiply 2, that is 2 multiply 3, then t to the power 2 minus 1. Then minus, for minus 12, it should be 12 multiply 1. And minus 4, differentiate result is 0. So altogether, it should be 60 minus 12. So my dear students, right now, this is velocity. So right now, for maximum time, maximum distance, right? For maximum distance, maximum distance, the velocity should be 0. Velocity should be 0. And velocity equals to what? Velocity equals to 60 minus 12 equals to 0. Then t equals to what? 12 by 6. This is 2. I hope all of you have got these solutions. Till now, if you have any questions, I'm ready to explain. Any doubt, anyone? I hope no. I'm going to the next questions now. Let's go. The same type of questions once again. That is for maximum or minimum speed, acceleration, retardation 0. First time I told you for maximum distance is speed 0. This time for maximum or minimum speed, acceleration or retardation is 0. Very simple. So you see example on the speed of the car given by v equals to t cube minus 40 square minus 4. Find the time for minimum or maximum speed of the car. So similarly, we have to do the same way. You write these things, these questions. So speed given here, very simple. The speed given here, v equals to t square minus 40 minus 4. This is the speed. So to find the accelerations, you have to differentiate both sides, that is d by dt left side and right side. Should be, the result should be 3t square minus 8t. So v equals to 3t square minus 8t, this one. Now find the time for minimum speed. So what to do? For minimum speed, right? For minimum speed, acceleration should be what? For minimum speed. So this is what? Accelerations A. This is acceleration A. So right now, the next step should be like this, right? For maximum speed, right? For max or mean speed, which one? 0? Mean speed, acceleration equals to 0. What is acceleration here? 3t square minus 8t equals to 0. And t is common, that is 3t minus 8 equals to 0. So time should be what? So time should be, first one should be 0 and second one should be 3t minus 8 equals to 0. So t equals to 8/3. This is the answer. This is the answer. I hope no doubt to anybody. If you don't have any questions or doubt, I want to start. I want to start next questions now. So erase this part now. Next questions for you. We have to do yourself. Only 2 minutes left. Let us do very short. Example 2, what's given here? V equals to 3t cube, right? 3t cube minus 12t square plus 5. So you can write, it's better to write. It should be, write this one, this should be plus 12t. 5t, right? So I think I've changed the equations now, right? What's given here? Velocity equals to minus 12t square plus 5t. Then acceleration equals to what? dv by dt. d by dt both side. d by dt, it should be minus 12t square plus 5t. It means it should be minus 2 multiplied 12, then t2 power 1 plus 5 multiply 1 equals to minus 24t plus 5. So right now for max or min, speed, acceleration equals to 0. This is what? This is acceleration equals to minus 24, right? Acceleration. For max or min, is speed retardation equals to 0, right? A equals to 0.